पूरी राज्य में फर्टिलाइजर को लेके किसानों में हाहाकार है। जितना फर्टिलाइजर चाहिए किसानों को, खेती लगभग आधा हो चुका है, खेती का काम लगभग आधा खत्म हो चुका है, लेकिन अभी भी किसान कतार में खड़ा है, लाइन में खड़ा है 2 क्विंटल यूरिया के लिए, 2 क्विंटल ग्रोमर के लिए, 2 क्विंटल फर्टिलाइजर के लिए। ये इस तरह का व्यवहार किसानों के साथ पहले कोई भी सरकार ऐसा किया नहीं था कि किसानों को खेती करने के लिए फर्टिलाइजर ना मिले।
BJD is protesting for the farmers of Orissa who are backbone of our state and who constitute, more than 60% of the population. And for farming, and Orissa is a state where we got accolades during Naveen Babu's regime for producing paddy and other horticulture and other non-agricultural product also. Odisha in the last 2 decades had made many successful strides. But this year, due to lack of supply of fertilizer, which is an important ingredient, lack of supply of ammonia, potash and other ingredients, and timely, because during farming processes, timely supply is more important. And while the 45 kg per bag fertilizer is costing 242 rupees MSP, in black marketing farmers have to procure it by paying 800 rupees to 1000 rupees. And this is totally timely fertilizer is not given. Instead of pronouncement, instead of review meetings, nothing is yielding in the field level. Our leader, Sri Naveen Patnaik has written earlier to the Central Union Minister to supply fertilizer fortnight ago. But the things are not improving. Even the Principal Secretary Agriculture had admitted that so many dealers have been raided. This depicts that the actually black marketing is happening. So why then the licenses, they have to cut the licenses? And even in field level, it is not a scarce commodity and not available. So for this, we are submitting a memorandum to His Excellency Honorable Governor of Orissa. At least His Excellency should intervene in the matter as early as possible, and timely legitimate demand of the farmers should be met, and he should direct the state government to do it. Otherwise, farmers on their own have come up to streets in so many areas of Orissa, from western Orissa to eastern Orissa to central Orissa to coastal Orissa, southern Orissa. People are coming in large numbers. So this should be immediately addressed. This is our demand.
पूरी राज्य में फर्टिलाइजर को लेके किसानों में हाहाकार है। जितना फर्टिलाइजर चाहिए किसानों को, खेती लगभग आधा हो चुका है, खेती का काम लगभग आधा खत्म हो चुका है, लेकिन अभी भी किसान कतार में खड़ा है, लाइन में खड़ा है 2 क्विंटल यूरिया के लिए, 2 क्विंटल ग्रोमर के लिए, 2 क्विंटल फर्टिलाइजर के लिए। ये इस तरह का व्यवहार किसानों के साथ पहले कोई भी सरकार ऐसा किया नहीं था कि किसानों को खेती करने के लिए फर्टिलाइजर ना मिले। इसीलिए बीजेपी जनता दल जो सबसे बड़ा पार्टी है इस राज्य का, किसानों के साथ न्याय करने के लिए और फर्टिलाइजर उनको दिलाने के लिए आज राजभवन घेराव कर रहे हैं, और हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। और जब तक किसानों को फर्टिलाइजर नहीं मिलेगा, इस आंदोलन को जारी रखेंगे।
For the interest of the public in generally Biju Janata Dal, staging Dharana, Bikhob, so many things he is doing. Likewise, that the acute shortage of fertilizer in the state, that the farmers are facing such type of problem which cannot be described. On that protest, we are staging Dharana here.
You have given a memorandum to the governor also?
Yes. That we have already prepared. After the Dharana, that the BJD leadership will submit a memorandum before the governor to interfere the matter that the bogus Sarkar is sitting idle should be picked up in the administration.
But the BJP government saying that no shortage of the fertilizer in the state of Odisha.
He is speaking like anything. That the Prime Minister already expressed while foundation the Talcher fertilizer plant. At that time he expressed that will be inaugurated, that will be given to the public as a whole in 2023. Here now present we are facing at the 2025 going to be completed. When the Prime Minister speaking is false and fabricated, that is proof in the state. What the minister, simply minister will speak of the state of Odisha.